Good evening. So, as a continuation from last night, I'm going to finish putting this all together and hopefully we'll be done soon and all that good stuff. But there's some complications I've ran into so far, and as you can see, I have quite a lot of play in the axle, and I think I've already solved my own problem. If we look carefully, what I've done is I've mounted each of these holders on each side of this flange here. Now I'm figuring if I sandwich these flanges on one side, it'll hopefully get rid of all that play. So yeah, I'm gonna do that and I'll let you know what happens. Much better. Now, it's time to bolt the engine down. Okay, the engine's mounted, so now it's time to fit up the chain. Perfect. Well, at this point, it looks like I'm just a carburetor installation away from having this thing just about done. I got all the chains mounted up good now, as you can see. Wheels are on and all that good stuff. The only thing left isn't to put the carburetor back on the engine, see if this whole thing will start up, and hook up the gas pedal. That's about all she wrote. So I don't know if I'll have a video for tomorrow, but definitely this weekend this should be operational. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching.